Thanks for watching. I'm Prerna Agarwal, Technical Product Owner for The Guardian. Today we'll be giving you Guardian updates as of week of April 1st, 2022, which is our Sprint 9. Just a quick overview of the agenda. We are going to give you an update on the roadmap. We are also going to be reviewing the issues that we tackled in Sprint 9 that lasted from March 21st to April 1st. Then we are going to flip over and give you the demo of the issues that we solved in Sprint 9. Then we're also going to be looking ahead of week of April 3rd, which is an ongoing sprint. We are going to take a look at what issues that we are going to be tackling in Sprint 10. We are also going to be talking about the upcoming release. We are also going to be giving you some of the ways that you can submit either bugs or policy requests through the various different channels. So just a quick overview of the Guardian roadmap. Again, this is open source, so anyone can see that. All you need to do is install the ZenHub extension in Chrome. And then when you travel to the Guardian GitHub repo, you will be able to see a tab to quickly open that up and see what's going on. As you can see, we are still working on the Vera-Red bugs fixes. We are working on the discoverability of data of different actors. We are still working on sustainability token lifecycle management. We have worked on the IREC demo and working on the documentation. We have worked on the scalability testing plan and still working on the implementation and the planning. We are also working on the decentralization Guardian. Just an overview of what we have covered in Sprint 9. So Sprint 9, we committed to 164 story points and we delivered 142 story points. So these story points includes reworking of IREC policy, which is 653 and 655. We have also worked on adding more documentation of the 461, which is schema deprecation policy. We have worked on several different bug fixes, which is 550, 565, 453, 578, and so on and so forth. Now let's look at Sprint 9 demo. The first ticket, what we'll be looking at is 461, which is schema deprecation policy. At present, it is not clear for the community what the schema policy, its life cycle, deprecation periods, versioning, numbering system, etc. In order to solve this, we have added the schema deprecation policy document in our Gitbook. So this is our Gitbook schema deprecation policy URL. So please have a look and let us know what you think about. Next, let's look at the interface document source block required document source add-on block to display data. This was a bug which is 610. So as you can see, interface document source block will not display data if it doesn't have child element document source add-on block. It seems a problem at the code here. This issue affects both UI and API. So looking at this issue, we have figured it out that we had to correct our documentation. So we went ahead and then we corrected interface document source block. We have added the required UI property elements in the documentation. We have also corrected document source add-on block, and we have also added the required filter properties, which is field, type, and value, which actually solves our issue. Now looking at 575, which is not possible to filter by message and logs if search input contains special characters. This issue happens when a user filter logs by messages and input contains special characters, for example, bracket. So in order to solve this, let's go to our Guardian application. And when we go to admin, when you go to logs, we have several different filters, which we discussed in our last demo. So the issue was we were not able to filter the message type if the message has a special character. So as you can see, this particular message has a hyphen as a special character. So let's just try to filter that up. When I just type the message type and then click on apply, you see I get the required result. So which means the issue has been solved and now the message filter takes the special characters. As I said that we have worked on the reworking of the IREC policy, which is 655. We currently have simple IREC policy, but we needed an updated IREC policy, which includes a latest development. So in order to solve this, we have included a new IREC policy in our demo artifact. folder in the GitHub. So please have a look and let us know if there are any issues. So that was a demo of Sprint 9. And now let's look at the Sprint 10 issues, what we'll be tackling. We have committed to 151 story points for now, which includes mainly the policy projects and topics mapping. We are also working on the Vera-Red documentation. We are also working on the IREG documentation. We'll be working on some of the issues and the bugs being raised by the community. Talking about the upcoming release, the last release was on Tuesday, March 22nd, 2022. Our next release is on Tuesday, April 19, 2022. There are multiple ways to reach out to us. You can reach out to us on GitHub. You can submit policy requests, enhancements, or if you find any bugs, please go ahead and mention those bugs with us so that we can get our team on it. Thank you. Have a good day.